Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a Shopify store using Sense theme. So basically this is a free theme and there are amazing features. I will show you step by step that how you can create it into your how you can create your store by adding a lot of good features. So let me show you that how you can see at the end what we are expecting in this live tutorial. So here you can see I have a home page. So wait a minute, let me refresh it back. And once we are refreshing it, you will see all those features which I have implemented so far. I will start from the very beginning. So here is the home page. We have Marquee effect, we have bestsellers, we have single product, we have about us section, and we have a video, we have testimonials. And if we are going back to our, and at the top you can see we have a sliding announcement bar. If we are going to any of the collection, and here you can see on the top we have collection filter. If we are clicking on men t-shirt, maybe new arrival, only new arrival products are displaying. Bestseller, only bestsellers are displaying. And if we are clicking on any of the product, you can see that we have the product page, and here we have live counter, and we have a new feature which we have created recently. So that is how we can add add-on products, like additional products for a specific product which we can link. So these are the products which we have actually linked with this specific product. So we can add multiple products, right now we have 3. You can reduce it to 2 or maybe 1. And if you are checking this checkbox, then automatically this will be added to the cart in addition to this product. And other than that, you can see we have you may also like section. And if you are scrolling down, you can see we have a sticky add to cart where we can add to cart the item. We have the drop down of all the variants. So we can also see at the bottom we have a WhatsApp button which is just showing we can contact customers can contact us. And another best feature which I can show here is this one. So here you can see that I have, for example, this product. You can see at the bottom we have only this specific color images are displaying. And if we are clicking on white, so only white color images are displaying. All the others are not displaying. If we are clicking on ice blue, only ice blue color images are displaying. Others I have hidden. So if you will see the mobile view, so this is how it will look. If you are maybe let me show you the mobile view here in the desktop. So right click here, this is the mobile view. If I'm clicking on this product and going to this specific page, you can see that if I'm scrolling down, scrolling it actually, so you can see only this color images are scrolling, no other image is displaying. Here you can see only white color images. If I am clicking on ice blue, so only ice blue images are displaying. Rest of the images are not displaying. So this is also one of the features. So let's see all the mobile view of this one. Maybe here, if I'm going back to the home page, you can see this is our home page, and this is looking like this. If we can slide it, this is the individual product. We have about us, about our brand, and this is the best thing which I have here. I have added different video on mobile view. If you will see in the desktop view, we have this video, but in mobile view we have a different video. So you can actually change the view. You can change the videos according to the screen size. For example, you have mobile view, you can change to this video, or maybe any specific video which is looking more beautiful vertically. And if you want in the desktop, you can make it bigger size. And we have testimonials here, you can see. And another thing is, let me see in full screen. So for example, I'm going back to the full screen here. You can see track order. So this is also track order page. We have FAQ section. Once you are clicking over here, so FAQs are displaying here. If you are clicking on contact, so this contact us is really beautiful. Everything is in the center align. And if you are going to for example, you are going to the policy pages. So at the bottom, you can see this is in the center, and we have refund policy. So you can see this is full width, and for example, privacy policy. And then after we have terms and condition, terms of services, you can call it. We have contact information. So this is compact now. And see, one more thing I wanted to share with you is if you are clicking on this menu, you can see that this is the animation. Can you see? This is the animation which is like sliding in the menu. Okay, so these are the things which we are going to implement into this video. So let me go back to the home page. Yeah, these are the things. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to the dashboard of the screen. If you have not created the store, I mean you have not registered on Shopify, then I have already given the link below in the description, so you can register on Shopify, and then after you can start from here. So here we have the Sense theme, which I have already created, and we have everything implemented. Now I'm going to install a new fresh theme, which is this one, for example, Sense. So I am installing this. So this is the fresh version where we don't have any kind of code or maybe any customization. So we will start from very beginning so that you get to know that how I did all these, and into your store you can also easily implement everything. So I need to wait for a while until this is installing. So whenever you are doing any customization in any of the theme, you should keep the backup of it. So here we go. Now we can see that this theme has been installed. Let me rename this one, and I'm writing here new. So clicking on save, and I'm going to publish this one. Okay, and then after I will start from the home page. So this is the home page. So let's start from the home page. So let me publish this one now. You should click on publish, and then after let's start from the home page. So here I have clicked on customize. I'm going to close this file, close this tab, and now here you can see that we have this page which we have created. So let's start from the top. So in the top we have these social media icons. So let's add the social media icon first. So you should click here in the settings. So here we have the social media. You can add Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and any other social media handles which you have. I am going to add some test content so that it just need to appear on the top. So let me save the changes, and then let me go back here, and here we have the header, but we have announcement bar. So you should click on it, and on the right you can see that show icons on desktop. So you can see the social media icons appears. And now another thing is that, for example, here we have welcome to store, we have free shipping for US, we have 10% discounts on product. So how we can add? You can add announcement, and here is the welcome store, and here is another thing which we can actually copy from here. So I am copying from there, and then the second option is we have free shipping for US customers. So let's click here, and I am updating free shipping for US. Then after you can save the changes, and that's how you can see that we have implemented the top bar. Then after we have to add the logo here. So let me see here, click on settings, click on logo, click on select image, and you should all the images are loaded here. So let me scroll a little bit down, and we will have that logo which we are interested to put. So this is the logo. So I have added that logo now, and let me increase its size. So here we go. You should click save, and that's it. Now you can see that we have logo and header which is already prepared now. Okay, but you can also change the design of this header. Can you see? We can click here, and here we have top left, here we have middle left, we have middle center. So you can put this logo and the menu according to your choice. All right, so for now I have added like this, and you can also change the color schema here. So right now you can see that we have, for example, the default one, but you can change it to any other one also. So right now I am adding this one. Okay, now the next thing is you should scroll, and here you have the main banner. So you should put the image. So for example, I am going to image with text, and here you can see that we have image. So I am adding this one. So here we go. Now we have that image. Another thing is scroll it down, and here we have Marquee. So actually the Marquee effect I have already implemented on my blog post. So you should go to mrdigitals.com, and here I have already given the links of all those things. So here we have how to add Marquee sliding with icons. So you should open this link. I'm going to create a new section. So you should go back to the dashboard. I am here in the dashboard, and here you need to do a little customization. You should click on these three dots, click on edit code, and then after you should go here according to the documentation. So we have to create a new section which is Marquee. So you should click on section, click on add a new section, and add here the Marquee, and then click on done. Once this file is created, that is actually the section. So you should remove the existing code and then copy and paste this code. So I am copying it and then pasting it here, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can refresh it back, and then you can actually scroll it down, and you will see that this specific sliding announcement bar will be appearing. Sliding Marquee. Click on section, and here you should search Marquee. Here we go. Now you can see that we have this Marquee. We want it just below this image with text, and you can change the color here. So right now this color was there, so I am using this one. You can actually change the text color here. You can put a specific link. You can increase the Marquee height. You can change the font size also. So that's how we have implemented this one. Then after we have bestseller. So all those bestseller products are displaying here. So you should click here like featured collection, which was already there. So here you can write bestseller, and you can select it using Control A and then click on B. So it will be bold. And then after you can scroll a little bit down, and you will see that we have portrait. So you can make it portrait, and maybe you can also change image shape. So here we have multiple shapes like this one. You can change to blob, you can change to this one. So if you need something like this, you can add it into your store, but for now I am putting it default. All right, so I have also clicked on show second image on hover. So that's why when I am hovering over it, if it has the second image, then it is showing. Okay, so that's how it is looking now. But now another thing is that the background is different. So how we can change the background? You can click featured collection, and then here we have the color schema. You should click here and click here, and now you can see that the background has been updated. Now you can save the changes and then go back to this page. So here we have another section which is single product. So how we can add that? Click on add section, click on here featured product, and now you can select a specific product from the right hand side. So here you can see we have select product, and you can click any of the product which you wanted to add, and then click select. And then we have this is actually the vendor name, so I wanted to remove it. So you can see that we get rid of that vendor. Now you can see that it has a small heading. You should click on title and make it small, and now it is looking more better. All right, so that's good now. Okay, so we are done with this. Now the next section is about our brand. So how we can add that? Click on add section, click on image with text, click on rich text, and here we go. Now you can copy this like about our brand, and you can click on talk about our brand. So you can put it here, select and make it bold, and then after you have some information which is already there, and then we have a read more option. That is a button actually. So you can click this button, and right here read more, and you can link this one to any of the page. For example, right now I'm selecting about us page. Okay, then you can maybe save the changes, and now the background color is different. So I am going to click on rich text, and here we have the background color. So here we go. Now you can see that this is looking more beautiful than before. Now the last thing is that we have needed here the section where we have to put videos. So firstly, I am going to hide this email sign up. So I don't need this email sign up here. And then I am going back to my old, maybe wait a minute. Here in this blog post, you will see, I mean in this, you will see that I have already given how to add autoplay video. Sorry. So let me show you. I have already given a blog post. So there I have already mentioned like how you can add a video in your Shopify store. So scroll it down and I am searching it. Just wait for a while. Yes, this one. So you should click on it, and I have added this code. So you should scroll, select this complete code, and I am adding this one here. You should click on add section, and then you should scroll it down, and here we have custom liquid. Click on it, and then you should paste that code here, and then click save. So basically here we have some spacing on the top and bottom. So I'm going to remove this spacing from the top and bottom. And then after, another thing is like if I am opening this code here in my editor, then you will see that at the end we have these URLs. These are actually the videos. So how we can get this video URLs? So you can go back to the dashboard, and there you will see that we have content. Click on files, and in the files you have to upload a video. Click on upload, and you can upload a specific video from your download folder or any other folder, and you can copy this link from here. So I have already those videos, so I am, for example, copying it, and for desktop I'm interested to change the video, so I'm pasting the new URL. Let me copy this complete code and then update this code with this one, and then you can save the changes. So now you can see that we have different video right here. And in the same way, if you want to change the video for the mobile view, so this is how right now, if you will see in your mobile view, this video is appearing. But if you want, you can actually update this link, and automatically the video will be updated. So for example, I am changing that video to this one. So let's see. So I'm updating this link, and then let me select this complete, and let me update this one. And then after, you can save the changes, and once the changes are saved, then you can see the mobile view. So here you can see that the different video is appearing here. All right. So that means we can change the videos in our mobile view and desktop view. All right. So for now, I am going to put the old videos because those are looking a little better for now. But you can update the videos the way which I actually mentioned you. Okay. So here we have implemented the video. The last section is testimonials. So how we can add the testimonials? Scroll it down. Here we have add section. You should click on multi-columns. And here in the multi-columns, you can put here, for example, testimonials. And inside the testimonials, you can actually make it small size. You can make it bold. And here in the columns, you can add the images. For example, I am adding my clients images. If you have any client or someone, so you can update the image. For example, I am updating with, yeah, this one. Similarly, another image for this, and the third image is like this. Yeah, this one. And then after, you can actually, okay, maybe let me remove this. Let me change this one. Select from library, scroll it down, and then after, you can select any other. For example, this one I am choosing. Here we go. Now another thing is like we are interested to change these titles, so you can change the titles here. For example, Tina, wait a minute, Tina. Then we have another person here, which is Ruby, and then the third one is, for say example, Jyoti. Okay, and then in the multi-column you can actually change the width of these images. You can make it 1/3, you can make it half width, you can make it full width. So maybe we can put it full width and click on center. And then after, you can do one more thing. Let me show you. Yeah, image ratio. So you can make it circular, you can make it square. So right now we need circular, so you can make it circular. And now if you are interested to make the width smaller, so it will look like this. If you make it little bit bigger, or maybe full width, so that's how it will look. So let me see. Yeah, this section we have completed now. So click on save. That's it. Now the next thing is that we are going to implement some more features which were related to for example, sticky add to cart and others. So those are actually on product page. So let me preview the old store first of all. So you should go back, and this was the old. So let me click on this set 3 dots, click on preview, and in this preview let me close this one. And in this preview you can see that we have, for example, this page. So in this page we are going to implement few more things. So first of all, we have live counter, then we have these additional add-ons, and then we have maybe, wait a minute, let's click on this one. So we have a few more features which are like colors, displaying specific colors on the images, or maybe you can call it like selected colors should be displayed, other images should be hidden. And then we have live counter, and then we have a sticky add to cart here in the bottom, and we also have the WhatsApp. So let's implement these three features first of all. So let's go ahead with the live counter first. So how we can do that? You should go back to the, here we have the coding part. So you should go to the blog posts, because I have already given the blog posts. Scroll it down, and here we will be having the live counter feature. Yeah, how to add visitors live counter in Shopify. So you should click here, and I'm going to create a new snippet here. So you should copy this name, and then click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and paste the name here, click on done. And then after, you should copy this complete code and just paste into this empty file, and then click on save. So this live counter has been created. Now where we can add this, so you should copy this complete code, and you can actually go to the product page and create new block, custom liquid, and paste this code. So how we can do that? You should go to this page, and here you can see, for example, this one. So right here we are going to click on add block. So actually this is the default product page, product template. So you should click on add block, and here you need to write live counter. No, sorry, not live counter. Here you need to add custom liquid. So if you are scrolling it down, you will see custom liquid, and you should paste that code which we have copied from this blog post. All right, and we need to drag this one up to the title, and then click on save. Now you can see that we have this people are viewing right now. So this counter is showing right here. If you wanted to change the number of people here, right now I have put the range which is related to, for example, let me show you. You should scroll it down, and actually this is from 500 to 600. So for example, in my store I have 20 to 10, minimum 10 and maximum 20 visitors are there. So if I'm clicking on save, let me refresh it back. Now you will see that between 10 and 20 the random numbers will be generated. So this will help our customers to know like we have more customers. All right, some people are coming to our store and they are visiting actually. So this feature we have created. Now the next thing is this gallery. You have to click on product information, click on desktop layout, click on thumbnail carousel, and you should also click on small, so the image should be small, and you can see that this is looking like this. And in the mobile view also you need show thumbnails and then click on save. So right now we have something like this. So now let's move ahead with another thing, and then after we will go back to the difficult topics. So what we have to do is we have to add sticky add to cart. So how we can add that sticky add to cart? This is also like add WhatsApp chat in your Shopify. So we will also implement this one. Yes. Go back. Yeah, this is the sticky add to cart. So what you have to do is you have to create a sticky add to cart section. So I'm going to copy this name from here, and then you should click on section, click on add section and paste the name here, and then click on done. Once you have created this section, remove the existing code, and then after you should copy this complete code and paste it right here, and then click on save. So this section has been created. Now you need to include this section into your code. So here you need to go to theme.liquid, and in the footer section you need to copy and paste it. So let me go back to the theme. So here we have theme.liquid. You should scroll it down, or maybe search here footer, and here you can see that we have footer group. Just below it we are going to paste that line, which is sticky add to cart. Actually we are including that section which we have created just now, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can refresh it back, and you will see that sticky add to cart will be appearing here. So let's see. If you are scrolling it down, you can see that at the bottom we have sticky add to cart. So that's how it is looking like. Okay, you can scroll it down and we have sticky add to cart. All right, now we have another feature which is like displaying only specific color images. Right now you can see that we have all the colors are displaying. For example, I'm clicking on white, so all the other colors are also displaying. So what we are interested to do, we are actually trying to hide all the other colors except the one which we have selected in the swatch. Okay, so let's go back to here, and then after I am going back to my folder. So what exactly we are going to do? Yes, so we have here the documentation. I have already given the links for all these features. So firstly what you have to do is you should go to dashboard and update all the alt texts of images in the gallery for each product. So what does it mean? It means that you should go back to the dashboard, and then after you should click on products, and in the product, for example, I am selecting this product, click on it, and then these are the images. So first of all you need to upload all those images here, because these are the images which are displaying over there. And then you should click each image and add the alt text color. So right now I have already added, so maybe you will see like it will look like this. Let me show you again. For example, you are clicking on this image, you will see that this alt text field will be empty, so you need to put the color name here. So what is the color name? This color name is ice blue. So you should click on this variant and click on ice blue, copy this color name, click on this image and paste the color blue name, and then click the save. Then after you should click on next. You should also paste the new name here. Like right now I have already added, so you need to update with your name, I mean your color name. So similarly for all those images which you have, for example black, I have already added black. These are all the black images. Then we have white images. You can see that I have added white. So make sure that you should have to copy all these colors from here, so that it should not have any mistake of like capital case or small case. Okay, so once you are done, then you have to go to the next step, which is go to snippets, open product media gallery.liquid. So I'm going to open that file. So you should search it here, and you will see that product-media-gallery.liquid, this file. Then after, you should add attributes data man color equals to double quotes in first UL tag. So basically this is list tag, which is unordered list. So this is the UL tag which I am talking about. So in this opening tag, I need to add this data man color attribute. So I have added now. Then after, you should add this class name, which is parent UL man. So here you can see that we have class. You should after the double quotes, you should paste that and then click on space. All right, so now we have added this parent man. The next step is like paste below code inside the first li opening tag. So you should copy this complete code, go back here. Here is the first li tag, and inside of it, this is the opening tag, and you should add this code which I have just copied just before this closing bracket. Okay. Then after, the second thing is paste below code inside the first li opening tag under loop of the media. So basically we also have a loop because this was the first li tag. You will scroll it down and you will see that we have here media product.media. So this is a loop, and inside of this loop we have another li tag. So inside of it, I am going to paste the new code, which is this one, just before this bracket, closing bracket. Then after, we have the third step, go to last UL tag. So we have also one more tag of UL. You should scroll it down, and here you can see that we have UL tag. So inside of it, we have actually the purpose of this is like right now this is one list and this is another list. So the first UL tag has all those images which are displaying here, and another UL tag and li tag has all these images like this. So that's why we are adding different attributes. Okay, so in the second UL, you need to add the different attribute, which is data dash color equals to double quotes. So you should put it right here. This is you should put it right here, data color double quotes, and then after, you can go back and put this one. This is also one of the class name in the UL. So here is the UL tag, and here is the class. You should paste that and press space key. So this is parent UL class name which I have added. Then after, you can actually add the below code in the first li tag, just like we did before. So you should copy this complete code, and then after, you should scroll it down, and here we have first li tag, and inside of this you can paste that code. Next, you need to copy this code and paste it inside the loop li. Scroll it down, you will see that we have this loop, and inside of this loop we have another li tag. So you should paste that new code here. So that's it. Okay, all the steps we have implemented. So now one last thing which we have left behind, that is one more file you need to replace, which is media-gallery.js. So you should copy this complete code and go back here. You should search gallery. Automatically you will see media-gallery.js. Select this complete code, delete it, and paste the new code, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can say that you have implemented that feature. So let me refresh this page again. Here we go. Now you can see that only black color images are displaying. If you are clicking on white, only white color images are displaying. If you are clicking on ice blue, only ice blue color images are displaying. And similarly, if you will see the mobile view, so Sam, you will see that only the specific images will be displaying and other will be hidden. Okay. So this was one of the feature, and another is adding the add-on products. So how we can add the add-on products? So I have already given a documentation for that. So let me see. Here is the documentation. So in that, we have to create a meta object, optional product. So let me show you where I created. So you should go back to the dashboard again. And in the dashboard, you should click on settings, click on custom data. And here you can see that we have meta definitions and we have meta objects. So I created a meta object, which is optional product. Inside our optional product, I have already created a separate video. I will add the link below in the description. So you should follow all the steps. and if you do anything wrong, then you can follow that video and it will be more correct. And here we have created two fields, text and reference products. Let me see, text and reference product. Then after, you have to create an additional product and select meta object optional. So actually we are creating a meta field also. So if you are going back, you can see that this is meta definitions, meta field definition. Click on products, and here we have additional product meta field which we have created, and that meta object which we have created just now, that I have selected. So then after, we have to scroll down, add title and all. So we have to allocate these entries in the products. So for example, I'm going back, click on products, and here is the product, for example this product, and scroll it down, and here you can see that we have additional product meta field, and we have already selected second product, first product, third product. So let me show you from the beginning like how it will look. For example, I am selecting this product, scroll it down, and yeah, here we have additional product. Click here. So we have already created some product. For example, I am selecting both these, and then click on save. If you wanted to create another new, so you can click on add new entry. You can put here like fourth product, maybe fourth, and then click on select product. So for example, I am selecting this one, click on add, click on save, and then click on save. So we have added these three products. So let me refresh it now. Yeah, so before doing anything, actually we need to follow some steps also here. So what exactly we need to do here is all the steps which we have done till now, these are like until like this. And now we need to open main-product.liquid. So you should go back to the code. Here you should search main-product. I'm going to close these files. So here you can see that we have main-product.liquid, and inside of it you need to search price or maybe variant picker. So I am finding here variant picker. So here is the variant picker, and just above it I'm going to paste a new code which I have already attached here. This is the code. I'm going to select this and going to paste it right here. Then after, you should save the changes. Another step is that you should add below JSON also in the same file. So how we can add that? You should search here variant_picker, and you will see that at the bottom in the JSON we have a variant picker. Just above it, I am going to paste that new JSON which we have created just now. Okay. Yeah. Then click on save. And now the next step is you should add a jQuery in the theme.liquid. So you should go back and remove this search, click on theme.liquid, scroll it down, and here in the head you can see that we have head tag. Just above it we are going to put this jQuery library. Then click on save. Now I think it should work. I am refreshing this page, and now I'm going to click on add block, click on additional product which we have just now created, and now you can see that it is looking beautiful. So all these products which I have just now selected, so all are displaying here. So that's how you can actually add these add-on products. I already created a complete video on this, so you can follow that video so that you should not do any mistake. I did a little bit quicker because the video should not be more larger. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, now we have some more features which we have to implement. So let me show you what we have the pending one. You should click on online store. Let me preview the changes here in the old store. Click on preview. We have certain things like for example, we have to center align this footer, and we also want that scroll down, and Here you can see that we have powered by Shopify. We wanted to remove that. We wanted to center align this, and we are also interested to for example, I'm clicking on refund policy, so it should have less space in the left and right. And we also have to create a FAQ section. We have track order already created. We have to fix the contact us page. So let's quickly do all these. So let me show you. For example, I'm going to the contact page. Okay, so how we can fix? You should click here, hide this title, and then after you should click here, add section, click on rich text and drag it up. And in this rich text, we are actually going to add this contact us. So click on this title, paste it, make it bolder and make it smaller. Okay, then after we have some information, which is this one. For example, I'm copying and pasting it right here. And then after we don't need this button, so I'm going to remove it. I need less spacing in the bottom, so I have reduced it. Then after I have another thing, which is I wanted to make this button in the center. So how we can do that? Let me show you. So actually I need to inspect, and basically here we have contact button. Okay, you just need to copy what exactly I did. So I need to create one more file here. Click on assets, click on add a new asset, click on create a new file, and right here custom. So this is actually the custom CSS file, and inside of it I am writing contact button, and then I am writing test align center. That's it. And now this custom.css we need to include inside the theme.liquid, so that this CSS should be impacted. I mean, this should work. So you should search base.css inside of this file, and just below it you just need to copy and paste this complete line and replace this base with custom.css. So automatically the custom.css will be loaded. And now if you will refresh this page again, you will see that the button should be in the center. Here we go. Now you can see that the button is in the center. So that's how we have completed this contact us page. Now we have FAQ page. So in the FAQ page, we need to create a new template. So you should click here, click on pages, click on create a template, click on paste right here FAQ, and then after you should right here hide this, click on add section, and here we have collapsible content, and you can actually create more content. So I am interested to change the title here like FAQs. Then after we have the color schema, which was this one. No, this was not. No. Yeah, this one is better. But we need the container. So you need to click on row container. So this is looking like this. Okay. So you can actually update the title. For example, questions, how to create store. And you can write the answer here. Register first and then create store. So if you will, you can also change the icons here. Click on save, and then for example you are clicking here, you can see that the question and answer is there. So that's how you can actually create FAQ section. Okay, if you are clicking on FAQ, so basically you need to select the FAQ page and then choose the FAQ template also. For example, I'm going back to the pages, and here I have created a FAQ page, and here you need to choose theme template FAQ. Okay, now we have this powered by Shopify. So how we can remove that? So you should go back to the online store, click on these three dots, click on edit default theme content, and here you need to write powered by. So instead of writing anything, you should put space, and here also you should put space, then click on save. So automatically the powered by will be removed. So let me refresh again. So here we go. Now you can see that Power by Shopify is removed. Now we are interested to make it center align. So how we can do that? So let me inspect it. You don't need to inspect actually. I am doing it for my convenience. Yes, this one. So this is the class name which I have. So I'm going back here. Inside the custom.css, you should put dot and paste that class name, and you should write here justify content center. So it will automatically center align that footer links. All right, now we have another thing which is footer menu. So you should click on footer, click on add block, click on menu, click on add block, click on menu, click on add block, and click on menu. Now you can change the menu from the right hand side. So you can see here, for example, I'm changing the menu to main menu. Here also I am interested to change the menu, and here also. You can change the title whichever you like, and you can create new menus, and accordingly you can actually update it. And the last thing is you should click on footer, show email sign up, and it will show here, and then after we have the icons. Okay, and this content I think we don't need to, yeah, this is looking more beautiful. All right, so that's how we have implemented FAQ page, footer section we have completed, we have text align center. Now we have another thing we left, which is like policy pages. So inside the policy pages, so we wanted to reduce this, reduce the size. I mean increase the size from left and right. So how we can do that? So here we have Shopify policy container. So you need to go back to the CSS file, paste it here, and here you need to write width 94% for example, and then you can refresh it back. Okay, not implemented. So maybe you can write here max width, then refresh it back. Yeah, great. So now you can see that the width is full width, like 98%, 94%. You can reduce according to your choice, and you can see that we have needed some space in the bottom. So how we can add that? You can put it right here, like padding bottom 20 pixel, and that's it. So I think that almost we have done all the things. So if we have left something pending, you can message me, I will do it. But for now, I think that we have done all the stuff which we have committed before. So here is the home page. You can see that we have implemented this Marquee, we have single product, we have about our brands, we have video, we have testimonial. If you will see the mobile view of this home page, it is looking a lot more beautiful. So in the bestseller, let me improve it. You should click on featured product and scroll it down, and here we have enable, scroll it down. Here we have like one column or maybe two column. Yeah, one column is better. Okay, so the bestseller, the one column is better. You can actually scroll it like this. And then we have the single product, we have the about us, we have the video, which was different one, testimonials and all, and the footer is also over there. Now the second thing is the most important one, which was this page, the product page. We have implemented this live visitor counter, we have add-on products, we have images on the basis of color, and then we have related products. And then the next step is contact us page. So we have improved it. We have the track order page, we have the FAQ pages, and then finally we have implemented the policy pages. So everything is over there. So let me show you where these policy pages are inside the store. So you should click on settings, and here you can see we have policies. Inside the policies we have all these pages, like policy page. If you will click, you can see that all the custom template, pre-built templates are already there. You can edit according to your requirement. Okay, so that's how we have implemented everything for now. So if you are facing any issue or something, you can contact me. I will definitely help you out in that. If you have any new feature to develop, then still we can do it. So sorry, one last thing which we have pending is adding this WhatsApp button. So let's do it. So you should create a new section, WhatsApp. Let's go back to the coding part. Here is the code. So basically this is what the section. Yes, so you should click on sections, click on add a new section, paste that WhatsApp name, click on done. Then after, you should copy this complete code and remove the existing code and paste it right here. And finally you should scroll it down, and here we have before body closing tag, you need to paste this. So you should go back to theme.liquid, scroll it down to the bottom, we have body closing tag. Just above it we are going to paste this WhatsApp, then click on save. Now let me refresh it back, and the WhatsApp button should be appearing. Yeah, great. At the bottom you can see that WhatsApp button is appearing. So we have implemented everything. If something is left behind, you can message me. I will definitely improve it in the next tutorial. And let me see if someone has any questions. So how I add custom liquid? Yeah, custom liquid, bro, please draw an animation customize that shows arrows on. Yeah, one more thing which we have is like there was a sidebar animation. How to add sidebar menu animation, which I told you before. So you should copy this complete code from here and go back to custom.css and paste it right here. So let me tell you what exactly it means. So basically, if we are going here, let me refresh it back. And then if you are checking the menu here, so you will see that this animation is appearing now. So this animation I have not implemented before. All right, so this is already done now. Now the question is, yeah, we don't have any more questions. So I think that we did all the stuff. In the next video, we will talk about further things like how we can do the stuff in the new Shopify theme. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also like this video. And you can follow me on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. And you can also join a WhatsApp group which I have created recently. So thank you once again.